Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. Well, it has been a while since I have done a Let's Talk Rough Rider. Just for no other reason than, well, I've been doing other stuff. I've been on a Boker kick lately. Yeah. So, and I try to let them stack up a little bit, some newer versions, so I can get a few and check them out in such a manner. So we're going to check out 3 Rough Riders. I've got 3 more that we'll see here in a little bit, in a few days. But we're going to start with this guy. This one I'm really digging. This is the Rough Rider 2698. This is the bronze canvas micarta slip joint. And again, you're talking $18 for this guy. Let's look at the fit and finish on it. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, it looks pretty darn good for $18. So now we've kind of got that weathered look. You got this black stainless, kind of black washed stainless bolster, which I like that. I like that combo. That combo looks good together. And you've got this. So fit and finish, it's it's $18. Not bad. The centering seems to be on point. Absolutely. Long pull. Let's go. Half stop. Pull was probably a... Whoa. Thumbnail slipped off. It's not that hard. My thumbnail just slipped. It's probably a 5. Decent enough. Nice, fairly nice snap. Kicks in there pretty well. And snaps shut. Very nice. Clip point blade. 440A. Stainless steel. There you go. Overall, that's a nice looking knife. Feels very good in my hand. Absolutely. I mean, come on. $18. You're going to be hard6 and 7/8 ish. Just shy of a 4-inch handle, about 3 7/8. Should try to have about a 3-inch blade, which we do. Cutting edge is coming in about 2 5/8, and then, pretty much a full grip length for the most part on our handle. 3.5 inches, which, as you guys know, is pretty much the sweet spot for my grip. Overall, I think it's a really decent option for $18. Oh, let's get a weight on it. That's what we do. We'll get a weight on it. All right, what are we looking at? So about 3.5 ounces, okay, or 99 grams. Should have known that. 3.5, 100. I should know that math by now. There we go. So, bronze canvas micarta slip joint. Yeah, that's solid. It's a winner for $18. No other way to put it. And then, of course, you've got the America's 250th anniversary line. This is the 2738. This one is going to be the teardrop version. Hey, there's Ben. Old Bren Frankie right there. Whoa, come on now. Come open. Hit. Oh, there's George, too. Right on. So, this is a teardrop. Teardrop is kind of a favorite of mine. I like the teardrop pattern. Very nice. Now on here, of course, you've got the shield. America 250 right there. Now it says this is mother of pearl. Let's see. Just seeing transitions are pretty good. There's a little, they stand, man, it's hard to say. I mean, I can feel the transitions. That's about it. It's not that they're overly proud or anything. I can feel the transitions. So, again, this one, $25 for this one, 440A steel. Now, this one, you've got the match strike nail nick. Again, probably about a 5 on the pull, maybe just a little less than 5. And there you go. You've got the eagle. Trying to get a good look at it. Come on. It's really kind of hard to see. America, you got the stars going on there. Very nice. 440A steel. There you go. Right there. Nice drop point blade. Pretty much a standard teardrop. Into that half stop. Nice snap shut. See the centering. Now this one is off to the, yep, it is off to the non-show side. I can't say clip side because there's no clip there. But it is off to a little bit. Doesn't rub, doesn't hamper the operation of the knife at all. But it is, just got to point it out. But the teardrop feels very, very good in hand. That's one of the reasons why I like the teardrop, is I just really like the way it feels in my hand. So you're looking at roughly about just a little over 7.5 inches, or 6.5, excuse me. About 3 3/4 on the handle, which is going to give us 2 7/8 on the blade, and cutting edge is going to come in right around 2.5 on that cutting edge. Now, I wish that pattern, there you go. You can kind of see it a little bit. I wish it was just a little bit easier. I mean, you really got to get it in the right light. I wished it was a little bit better on that blade so you could see it just a little bit better. But, you know, $25. It's not perfect, but it's another very, very good little knife. Absolutely. So, there you go. That is the 250th anniversary teardrop version from Rough Ryder. And then we have one more. We have the Midnight Ice. Now, this is the we're partying like it's 1999. This is the Midnight Ice Folding Hunter. This is going to be a bigger one, for sure. Bigger in size, not bigger in price, guys. This one, I looked right before this video. Normally, $22. It's on sale for $13. If you're a folding hunter, you know, I know there's quite a few guys out there that really like the folding hunter pattern. Guys, $13. Jump on it. I mean, come on. It's this size knife. I mean, it's 440A steel, of course, again. But, you know, carbon fiber handle. And if you can look, it looks as though it might be carbon fiber over G10, because you can kind of see the difference. You might have a G10 liner, and then, of course, you do have a red liner in there as well. Really, really thin red liner. So it looks like, or either you've got carbon fiber and then you have like a clear resin over the top of the carbon fiber. That's kind of more what it's looking like. I think you've got a clear resin over the carbon fiber. But carbon fiber, folding hunter, good size knife. Of course, you've got the dual pulls there. And you've got the lockup. Lockup is pretty darn solid. Yeah, it looks like your lock is, I mean, to me, you look at it, if it's not 100%, it's like 90 to 95% engaged. So, pretty solid lockup on it. Overall, good size. This one we're going to back up our measurement there. 9 1/4. 9 1/4 on this one. 5 1/4 on the handle. Should be a 4-inch blade, which it is. Cutting edge is coming in right about 3.5. Clip point, dual match strike. Is that match? Yeah, match strike, long pull, oversized match strike nail nick. I guess it's not really oversized for the size of the blade, I guess. But again, this one's a little bit bigger, for sure. For my grip right there. I mean, you can go forward if you want to get a little bit more, you know, uptight grip. Sure. Normal grip, you're looking at, I'm going to give it pretty much 4 inches. Now, if you go forward and get up on that kick, I mean, you're looking at, holy cow, 5 1/2 almost. So decent. This one definitely going to fit those bigger sized hands. But again, like I said, I looked right before I did this video. 13 bucks this guy's on sale for. Now, normally 22 is still a pretty darn good price for that one for sure. But we have not done an edition of Let's Talk Rough Ryder in quite a while. So we have 3 newer versions right here for you to check out. You have the 250th anniversary of America. The teardrop selling for 25 bucks. You've got the bronze canvas micarta slip joint coming in at 18 bucks. And then you have the Midnight Ice folding hunter, which as of right now is probably the best bargain out of them all, on sale as of this exact moment that these words are coming out of my mouth, 13 bucks. Normally normally 22. So, very, very cool. Like I said, it's always good to get back, guys, for initial overall value. It's really hard to beat Rough Ryder. And if you're thinking about getting into traditional pocket knives, the traditional slip joint, world. I mean, this one's a little bit more modern looking for sure, just because it's micarta and such. But, it's kind of that sodbuster-ish. I have to say ish because Case gets mad when you call a sodbuster that's not theirs a sodbuster because it's trademarked. But it's kind of that style, if you will. But if you're just looking to get into and start searching and deciding that slip joints are something you want to get into and you want to check out the patterns that might work for you, like a teardrop or, cigar, trapper, whatever the case may be, gun stock, Rough Ryder's a great way to do it. They're great value. I mean, like this. Do I like a folding hunter? Well, I don't know. Let me buy this $13 folding hunter locking knife and see if I like the pattern. If you don't, you're out 13 bucks. You've got a knife you can beat on, put it in your tackle box, put it in your toolbox. It's got a decent enough edge on it. It's going to work for you. I mean, it's 440A steel, okay? So it's not Magnum Max, but it's going to do what you need it to do, guys. So, thanks a lot. Stand by. We do have another Let's Talk Rough Ryders coming up in the very near future. Thanks for stopping by and checking them out, guys. Greatly appreciate it. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.